Well, another beautiful day. Now, let me pause this for a second. I had some thoughts, some ponderings, some pontifications since the last video I made this morning. And I was thinking about this whole chain idea that would drastically change many things in my life. Probably every single facet of my life, from going to the bathroom to dancing, all things I do by myself, all solo op missions that I've done for all these years. But now, if I bind myself by a chain, wrap it around my waist, stretch it out, wrap it around her, that would interfere with my dance. Like, I would have to figure out how I would do my spins, you know what I mean, and my leaps and my whatever. How would I do all those things? I would have to relearn, like, is mankind a binary kind? You know what I mean? You know how some, like, people say solar systems are binary, right? There's usually two stars in the system or whatever. But, is man, we live in an age where everybody has all these identifications, interpretations, imaginations, all these types of things. But truly, I only really care about living in accordance with God's will for my life. I want to follow God's plan, His word. And in the beginning, He made them male and female. Them, us, male and female. And so, is mankind a binary kind? We have to have our male part, and we also have to have our female part of us. This is what I'm starting to think. Now, granted, I've been out in this wilderness a long time, you know what I mean, alone, and so, I got a lot of thoughts. I'm working out. But it is a beautiful day. Extremely beautiful day. Let me I guess set you down over here. So, I guess someone wants to hear music. I forget that this microphone is not very good. I forget that this microphone's not very good, being all the way away. So it's not going to really pick up everything I needed to pick up. This thing is meant to be with you in your hand. So, Lord Chaitanya's adventures continue. Every day of life is another adventure. Every day is an adventure. Who will you meet in these adventures? who will stay with you on the journey, who will leave your path,